Hey guys, it's Tibbs from Purple Newbie Juice. I'm here at a granite scrap pile and I'm going to get pieces to build a top, actually two tops, to my sewing machine tables. My sewing machines, the old antique one's from the 30s, and I'm going to salvage through this stuff and see what I can't find to make a mosaic. And one of them I want to attempt to put the Patriots emblem on, and the small pieces I got to break up, but hopefully I can find the colors that I need. It's a lot different from the last time I was here. Of course I need to find the blue stuff. Blue stuff came from Madagascar. I built a computer desk. But you don't need a ton of it, but you need enough to do a whole tabletop. The tops are very heavy, but with that cast iron, stay there, Dixie girl. That cast iron bottom bases, it's gonna look beautiful. So look how gorgeous some of this stuff is. Oh God, it's heavy. Oh God, I hate that sound. Oh man, it doesn't look like there's a heck of a lot of different colors here like there was before. It's just gotten so piled up over the years. It's been about 8 years since I've been here. But I am going to get what I think I need, and we will get back to you. I don't want to some beautiful stuff. See, some of it is thicker than others, and you got to make up for that in the amount of adhesive you put down. But all this will be broken up into smaller chips. And then the edges are going to be sanded. I wish this was in my backyard almost. But I will get back to you with what I find. Alright guys.